Hello everyone! Do you often use your hands to fan yourself, especially during summer? I got one interesting solution for you. I got this foldable and rechargeable 3-speed fan which offers a compact and handheld design, making it ideal for on-the-go use. Whether you are traveling or you are in the office or outdoors, you can easily carry it in your pocket or bag. It helps you stay cool and comfortable even on the hottest days. Let me show you the unboxing now. This multifunctional foldable fan serves as a phone holder and power bank, adding value to its utility. The built-in power bank feature allows you to charge the phone or other USB devices, eliminating worries about running out of battery during your adventures. With the 3-level wind setting, you have the freedom to adjust the fan speed according to your preferences. And this mini fan is powered by 3000 mAh battery. This rechargeable fan can work continuously for 6 to 8 hours on a single charge. Now it's time to show you how I use this mini fan. I use it to prop up my phone and enjoy hands-free viewing while staying refreshed with the cooling breeze. I use it while editing my videos and while reading books. And I love it most in the kitchen. And I find it very useful while cooking, especially during summer. And of course, while going out for a walk. And the ultimate use is during makeup. So don't miss out on this mini fan and get it now by clicking the link or check out at TJC Mini Fan Amazon. Thank you for watching. Follow and subscribe.